In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to calculate molar masses. Another name for this is Graham's formula mass or gram formula mass. You basically figure this out by using the formula for the substance. So for example, if we have something like H3PO4, which is an acid, the way we'd figure out the molar mass is by looking up each mass of each different element in here and adding them together. So we have 3 hydrogen plus 1 phosphorus plus 4 oxygens. So using the periodic table, we can see that hydrogen up here has a mass of 1.01. So we're going to have 3 times the mass, 1.01, plus, look up phosphorus, is 30.97. Plus 4 times oxygen, and oxygen is 16.00. Now when I'm getting these numbers, you'll notice on the periodic table that there's a symbol. Like if we look at cobalt here, there's a symbol, there's a little number in the upper right, and there's a larger number below the name. And it has a decimal part. That's the mass that we're getting. The little number at the top right corner in this particular periodic table is the atomic number, which would be number of protons. So if you look at your periodic table, it's arranged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's arranged by atomic number. We're not using that. We are using the masses, which are the numbers below, how much the mass of each one is. So we're going to do 3 times 1.01 plus 30.97 plus 4 times 16, and we get a molar mass of 98 grams per mole. So you just look up each different element, look up its mass, multiply by how many atoms of that you have in the formula, and add them together, and that gives you the mass. Let's try a harder one. This time, we're going to do one that has some parentheses in it. Here's a hard one, Bi2SO43. Bi bismuth 2 SO4 3. Now for Bi, we have 2 of them, and that's pretty obvious. But this, in parentheses, can get a little tricky because this 3 distributes into both things, and you multiply it in. Another way to think of this is we have Bi2 SO4 SO4 SO4. We have 3 SO4s, 3 of them. So we're going to have 2 Bi's plus 1, 2, 3 S's. So when we look at this S here, we brought that 3 in, so 3 S's plus 4 oxygen plus 4 oxygen plus 4 oxygen is 12 oxygens that we need to add up. So we check on bismuth, which is way down here. It's a heavy metal. See the Bi? It's 208.98. So we have 2 times 208.98 plus 3 times sulfur. Sulfur is here, 32.07. Plus 12 oxygens. And oxygen, if we remember from our last example, was 16.00. So we type this in. 2 times 208.98 plus 3 times 32.07 plus 12 times 16. And we get a molar mass of 706.17 grams per mole. That's our final answer. I hope this video has helped. Please like and subscribe and join me for future videos.